Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about how to use LUT presets in Final Cut Pro. LUT files can be used on images as you've seen in Photoshop and Lightroom, but also on video footage. Any editing software that accepts LUT presets can use the presets that you download from lutmix.com. I'm using Final Cut Pro 10.4. So if you're using another version, the panels or the design, the interface may be a bit different. But in 10.4, what I have to do first is open the effects panel, which is this icon over here. And here on the bottom, I'm gonna search for LUT. And this is a plugin that I have that I'm using from another brand. And I'm gonna use this one, the custom LUT. And here, once you add it, you will be able to open a custom LUT. So click that and use any pack you want. I'm gonna use a Cyberpunk again, and you can see the cube files are the ones that you can use. So let's open this one. And you can see the effect that it has on my image. You can change, of course, the intensity of this LUT, so you can lower it. And of course, you can use multiple LUTs to get different, if you want more creative effects. So let's open another one and stack it on top. Let's open, for example, keep reds. And also let's just drop the intensity of it more or less to 50%. Okay, so this is the effect that we get on this video using Final Cut and the Cyberpunk pack.